Welcome to a Norwegian summer. I am not staying here another year. So, on the other bathroom, there's a filter like this, and the seawater comes through here, and when the pressure comes, this thing opens up. But the one we have in the bathroom doesn't really fully close. The toilet was just filling up. It's stuff like that that could have sunk the boat in our first week. Yeah. Let's see if we can fix this. I know it's filthy here, but this toilet hasn't been used for 2 years. So it's gonna take a bit of time before we get it up to Malene's standards. So now... Oh yeah. Do you guys see it? It's not even closed. So now we put this one back in here. All right. I feel like I'm catching up and getting on top of things, one thing at a time. After all of the grinding, the oil work, I'm really looking forward to just finishing it up.
All of the windows is freaking leaking. Like, we knew it was gonna come to it, but not this much. It's open. Like, it's the middle of the night. We can't do any big fixes right now. And Amir is outside. Oh my god, he had to run outside with glue all of the windows because it's totally open. It's just like dripping down from the window. He's like using a bag. My biggest fear is to get like the mold and everything inside, because it's not healthy. And we have Bea here. I'm just terrified of her being in an environment that's not healthy. Got it, guys?
Alright, so this is the most effective thing that I could come up with at 1 a.m. Just a couple of duct tape to hinder the water from getting straight into the cracks, and that should work for tomorrow. Like, the whole window is just loose. Like, when you were touching it, if you put enough pressure, you can pop out the window. In 2 days we were planning on taking a sailing trip to test her out and like really go a bit far out, and if a wave would hit that side in this condition, it could really ruin this opportunity for us. We didn't do this because it was going to be easy. We did this because we were going to be challenged and have to figure stuff out along the way. So
what the f is
good
this
morning.
piece of shit?
Look at this. Så løst er det. Wow. And this has been fixed by a professional workshop 3 years ago. So we need to cut out everything here, and then we have to re-glue this whole thing right here. Alright, so the first one is off. So we've scraped off most of it. Now we just have to get out of the harbor. I don't know even where we're going, but crazy to think, I bought a 39-foot sailboat, and this is the first time I've ever driven a boat, and I'm driving a dinghy. What the f am I doing? This is cozy though. It's crazy to think that children in Norway grows up and they have toys like this. Like when I was younger, we never had anything like this. We never had boats. I want my daughter to have the things that I didn't have. The lifestyle I never could have. We didn't think.
Amir left me alone in the boat to organize, and he left to help Atle.
What am I doing?
I'm sorry to let you see this, but it needs to be organized and we need a system. I have no idea what to do with all our clothing. If you have any great tips for sailboat storage, please let me know in the chat, because I desperately need it. And have you seen our windows? And if you haven't noticed, we have put up evil eye all over the boat. Don't know if we need it. We might do, we might not, but better safe than sorry.
That's a lot of light. Hello, welcome. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Thank you.
We've gotten over 250 subscribers in just one video.
And that's just like 2 days.
Yeah,
it's
in
amazing.
2 days.
Yeah.
And it's so fun for us to see that even though we're not a pro at this and we still haven't gotten our boat out of the harbor, that people likes the vibe and that they want to be a part of our journey.
Yeah, I love it.
Be sure to hit a comment. All you have to do is say, hey, I'm new to the channel, and we would love to say hi to you.
Yeah. And hit the subscribe button to support.
Be a simp and simp to Malena. Ooh.